Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I just wanted to give you an update about a design refreshment my plugins will get in the admin area. So rule settings will have their look and feel refreshed. So if you see the new Newsmatic top news to post settings panel, you will see that you can select post sources, and this is how it will look starting from now. It got a new refreshed look with some green accents. This is how the plugin admin settings looked before. So if we create a rule, it was hard to tell and to distinguish which item is which. And starting from now, it will be more clearer to see which settings field points to what exactly. This will affect all plugins that I created. So I added this refreshment to the looks to all plugins. If we can check the Facebook plugin, Newsmatic, Echo RSS feed plugin, the RSS generator of the Echo plugin, and also here is the Etsy-o-matic, the Etsy affiliate plugin that will be released soon. I wanted to make a sneak peek of this also, so this also got the refreshed design. Let me know, guys, what you think about this. Did you like more the old design, or do you like more the new design? I'm waiting for your feedback. As always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar videos, and until next time, bye bye.